That was Batten the Boogie by Joshua Johnson. And you are listening to KART, the Creative Art Station, where we explore classic beats with modern ears, comparing influences of classic artists versus today's top 100s. I'm your host, Cranston Carmichael, and it has been an absolute pleasure listening with you today on the Humble Tunes Hour. The rest of the show's lineup is going to be swell. We have artists including Jason Hibbs, Paul Jackman, I'm sorry, my apologies. There seems to be a little bit of...
Greetings, Earthites, Earthians, Earthlings. We are from the planet Carpentry, and we understand that there is an abundance of hard and softwood masters, that we, being a race of master woodworkers ourselves, would like to make contact with in order to become the greatest species in the galaxy. Now please take us to your leaders of woodworking. Or else we'll poison the water hole.
Okay, that's an odd request, but we can definitely get into it. Let's see, influences of today's carpentry world. Well, Google says influential carpenters today include social media content creators like Jason Hibbs and Paul Jackman, TV personalities such as Abram, and artistic furniture makers like Taylor Donsker and Alexander White.
What else?
Should I go more in depth?
Yes.
Okay. Jason Hibbs has gained a large following for his woodworking tutorials, tricks, and creative DIY projects, and he is the founder of Bourbon Moth Woodworking in Oregon.
Oregon?
Yes, and...
Give us more. Examples.
Okay.
Examples of their work.
Okay, well, you can see him assessing his work to ensure his final cuts of the drawer face fit seamlessly into the liquor cabinet he is building. Paul Jackman. Okay, known for creating unique, large-scale projects and innovative furniture designs. There he is, with a giant wooden shoe made out of pallet wood or soft wood that will become a go-kart. Abram, a long-standing television carpenter whose work has inspired many in the field. You can see him assessing the joinery methods used in the so-called tap table. Taylor Donsker creates unique, often architectural pieces of furniture, sometimes using techniques like carving from a single tree. You can see simple techniques and design here that make a big impact, like the choices of stain or the use of other materials too. Alexander White blends traditional joinery methods with modern materials like Perspex to create art gallery worthy pieces. There's a lot to be said about functional art. Using his experience and understanding of the human scale that transforms wood into elegant artistic furniture. Well, is that good?
Yes, that will suffice. We'll leave in peace.
Alrighty then, back to the show. Well, tune in next time where we get to meet AJ Schlechten, who informs us on how he built a book-matched spalted maple with a cherry structure that are also speakers. Okay, see you next time. Bye, love you.